Environmental Remedies has the capacity to handle grease trap waste, transportation, processing, and disposal at our premier industrial waste treatment plant in Atlanta, Georgia. For years, Environmental Remedies has been the company of choice for restaurants, hospitals, school systems, and hundreds of other businesses whose daily operations utilize grease traps. We also service the needs of independent pumpers who rely on us to process and dispose of their grease trap waste in an economical and responsible manner. Our complete array of on-site grease trap services includes pumping, line cleaning, jetting, pressure washing, and grease trap T repairs. Our fleet of vacuum trucks and tankers enable us to handle grease trap jobs of any size. Environmental Remedies is ready and able to be your total grease trap services provider. We even offer a regularly scheduled service option for grease trap pumping and maintenance. We will work with you to customize a program that is appropriate for your particular needs. Customers who utilize this option can focus on their businesses without worrying about pumping and maintaining their grease traps.